Merry Christmas, December 25th, 2021. Hello, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machine. Here I'm making a video to shoot 12 set of 5 ton per day seawater flake ice evaporators and 3 set of 10 ton per day seawater flake ice evaporators. These are the 3 set of 10 ton per day flake ice evaporators. All the evaporators are specifically designed to work in marine condition. They are made of 100% stainless steel 316. Top quality, everything 100% stainless steel 316. The top, the bottom, the cover, the inside, the water tank, the steel frame, everything stainless steel 316, as you can see here in this video. And all the ice generators are located on a higher level than the water tank, so there will never be any water stay in the bottom. All the seawater will go down to the tank, and there will be no water going to the ice room, no matter how the boat shake or tilt. This is the one specific design for our seawater flake ice evaporators. Okay, now we check the inside one of the evaporator. Yeah, the ice making surface, you can see there are many vertical lines that will make the ice harvesting very efficient. And this is the ice blade. There is ice scraper behind the ice blade. This will help to remove the ice layer from the ice making surface. All these 12 set of 5 ton per day seawater flake ice evaporators are the same. And it is a similar design for the 10 ton per day evaporators. Okay, so basically this is all I want to show about these 15 set of our seawater flake ice evaporators. You are welcome to send inquiry to me if you want to make seawater ice machine for your customer or for your own fishing boat. They are all ready for ice making after you collect it with your own refrigeration unit. Okay. Thank you for your time and Merry Christmas. The container is now outside. We are loading them. This is the container.